Hello, students. Welcome to our social class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today, let us continue the chapter 4 Temperature Zones of the World. Now, let us recall what we had discussed in our last class. Yes, we had discussed about the climate of the place is the average weather condition over a long period of time. A place may be said to have a dry climate, very cold climate, hot climate, and wet climate. We had also discussed about factors influencing climate. The first one is latitude, altitude, distance from the sea, humidity, winds. In today's class, we are going to discuss about the temperature or heat zones. What is this temperature zone? Means the temperature zones are determined by the amount of sunlight received by a region. Since the earth is shaped like a sphere, different parts of the earth receives different amounts of sunlight. Okay? What? Can you see the sun? The sun rays which falls on the earth to the different places, to the different regions. Based on the intensity of heat received from the sun by a particular place, the earth has been divided into three temperature or heat zones. Okay, the earth has been divided into three temperature or heat zones. What are they? The first one, the torrid zone. The second one, the temperate zone. The third one, the frigid zone. Okay, the earth has been divided into how many? Three temperature. Children, can you name this? Come on, read with me. The torrid zone, the temperate zone, the frigid zone. Now let us know the different climate in the three zones. Okay, this is first one, the torrid zone. What are the climate here? Tropical climate, very hot season. The temperate zone, temperate climate means moderate climate, winter, spring, summer, fall. Frigid zone, cold climate, very cold, snow all the year. Let us know in the detail. The first one is the torrid zone. The torrid zone, also known as the hot zone. Children, if you have pencil, underline the word hot zone. Okay? Torrid zone, also known as the hot zone, is the hottest zone on the surface of the earth. Okay? Which zone? Torrid zone. It is the hottest zone on the surface of the earth as it receives the direct rays from the sun. This zone extends from the Tropic of Cancer, that is 23 1 by 2 degree north, to Tropic Capricorn, that is 23 1 by 2 degree south. Okay, here is Cancer and here is Capricorn. This zone has a tropical climate since it receives sunlight throughout the year. Okay, this is a tropical climate. Okay, what climate? Tropical climate. Since it receives sunlight throughout the year. Okay, in this zone we will find very hot season. There is not much difference between the summer and winter season here. But as we move away from the equator, the seasons become more distinct. Next one is the temperate zone. The temperate zone is divided into two depending on its location. The north temperate zone lies between the Tropic of Cancer, 23 1 by 2 degree north, and Arctic Circle, 66 1 by 2 degree north. while the South Temperate Zone lies between the Tropic of Capricorn 23 1 by 2 degree south and Antarctic Circle 63 1 by 2 south. Okay, see, this is the Temperate Zone which lies between the Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle. And this is the South Temperate Zone which lies between the Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle. As the name suggests, the places in this zones have a moderate climate. Okay, in this temperate zone, the places in the temperate zone are like a moderate climate. That is, they are neither too hot nor too cold. Okay, it's a medium climate. The zones receive slightly slanting rays of the sun and are thus comparatively cooler than the places lying in the torrid zone. Okay, compared to the torrid zone, this is very, this place is very cooler. The summer and winter seasons are very distinct here. The days are longer in summer while nights are longer in winter. The next one is the frigid zone. The frigid zone is divided into the earth frigid zone extending from the Arctic Circle 66 1 by 2 degree north to the North Pole 90 degree north, and the South Frigid Zone extending from the Antarctic Circle 66 1 by 2 degree south to the South Pole 90 degree south. The frigid zones are extremely cold throughout the year due to the slanting rays of the sun. Okay, frigid zone climate is very cold. Okay, in the frigid zone places we can find very cold because it is a very cold climate. Yes, so this is the north. The north we have 90 degree. So in the frigid zone north pole 90 degree, it has 66 1 by degree north, and in the south 90 degree frigid zone of 90 degrees south, it has Antarctic Circle of 66 1 by 2 degree south. In the previous chapter, we have read that during summer, the areas beyond the Arctic Circle have daylight for 6 months, and during winter, they have darkness for 6 months. Yes, children, in the previous chapter, we had discussed about this daylight of 6 months and darkness of 6 months. This is because of the tilt of the axis. Tilt means because the moving of the axis. Okay, the earth which rotates. Life here is very difficult, and in some places the ground is permanently covered with ice. Okay, the few places the ice is covered there. See, here, did you know millions of years ago large parts of the earth were covered with ice? It was known as the ice age. Okay, millions of years ago, okay, a few parts of the earth were covered with full ice. Ice means it's very cold, right? Yes. So it was known as the ice age. Okay. Okay, children. I hope you understood this lesson. Please go through this lesson. The notes is given. Learn the given question answers. Thank you, students.